right, good morning for this Monday, October 28th, and we're looking at ZH or XHB, the Spider S&P Home Builders. If you recall, we went long this market last week right in here at $29.98. First profit objective was hit right here at $30.90. So we got $30.90. Actually, that was right up in here near the high of the day there. And then we trailed up the stop. The market ended up going to, where did it go up to? It went up to, reached a high of Friday, 31.36. So what I decided to do is I decided to trail up that stop just below the 31 even, right in here. And I had it at $30.99 and got stopped out on Friday. So $30.99. So again, bought the market right in here based on this bullish engulfing pattern in support at $29.98. The first objective was $30.90. Looking for a bigger, even a bigger runner here, and I trailed it up and got stopped out at $30.90 and then $30.99. So that was a good trade though. Wasn't a bad trade. Second trade was, if you recall, Z. It was a really short-term trade, but it was based upon this really tight inside pattern here. If you recall, we went long at $80.73. Right, $80.73. It hit 80% of our first profit target of $82.73. Right, it went up to $83.28. Okay, actually on Friday it went to $82.95, which meant that it hit the 80% profit objective of $83.22, which put us at $82.73. So once it hit that $82.73, I moved the stop and ended up exiting that trade at 82.07. So again, this is a real volatile stock. If you look down here, the ATR, the average 21 ATR average true range is roughly $4.43. That's pretty nice movement during the day. So again, my stop on this particular trade was down at 78.57, right below the low of that inside pattern. Again, the first profit target was 83.22, which it actually hit today. But a Friday is when it hit the 82.73, which again was to 80% of the first profit target, which was 83.22. Okay, so when that happened, I moved my stop up, and I was looking at some intraday bar charts there, and I ended up stopping myself out at 82.07. That was my trailing stop on that, 82.07, and got stopped out. So not a bad trade. Again, went long at $80.73. So made a little over a point on that. So I'm flat there. Let me give you another trade that actually got long this morning, which again is a good trade setup, right? And you've seen this trade many times. This is Under Armour. UA, okay? Take a look at this. Just look at this market. It's just making higher highs, right? And higher lows, right? Nice trades between the bands, right? Mid to lower, mid to lower, mid to lower, made a new high, came down. Look at this. Friday, look at what do we create? Little test here. Look. An inside pattern, right? The high is lower than Friday's high, or Thursday's high, and the low is higher than Thursday's low, which meant a nice trade setup, right? Going long above 80.38. Right, 80.38 was the high, so 80.48, right, 10 cents above 80.38, or you could have adjusted to 80.51 and went 80.48, right, $80.48. Today opened up at 80.30, dropped down to 79.95. Well, of course, we went long at $80.48, and it's up at 81.12 right now. The initial catastrophic stop on this trade is 30. Let's see. Take a look. Okay, the initial stop is 78.40. So let me outline this for you. right? Went long at 80.48, right? 80.48. The initial stop loss is below the low by 10 cents, and that puts us at 78.40, right? First profit target is 83.26 up in here. But 80% of that first profit target is at 82.71, a little lower than that, right? Once it hits 82.71, I'll lock in profits, take a little profit off the table, and lock in profits on the remainder. So that is the trade setup at Under Armour UA. If you've got any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Have a profitable day. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.